Hello guys, welcome to the IT Guy channel. In this video, we are going to multi-boot Ubuntu desktop along with Windows 10. Multi-boot simply means installing multiple operating systems on a single machine. Okay, with that being said, let's get started. As you can see, Windows 10 is already installed on this machine. To install Ubuntu along with this, we need some free space. Okay then, let's find some free space. We have a data partition here. As you can see, it is almost empty. It is a 100 GB partition, and almost 97 GB of it is empty. We can resize this drive to get some free space. In Windows, we can safely resize partitions without any additional software. So, let's do that. Open the Computer Management, and under the Storage section, click on the Disk Management option. On the right side, we can see all our partitions. To resize a partition, in our case, the E drive, right-click on it and select the Shrink Volume option. Here, we can see the total size in MB. I am going to resize it to 50 GB, which is half of its current size. Enter the size in MB, and click on the Shrink button. OK, the E drive is now shrunk to 50 GB. And we got 50 GB of unallocated space, or in other words, free space. Now, let's check our E drive and data again. OK, the data is safe. OK then, let's install Ubuntu. Insert the installation media, and reboot the system. Boot from the installation media. After a couple of seconds, a welcome screen will appear. Click on the Install Ubuntu button. Here, select your keyboard layout, and click on Continue. In this window, keep the normal installation option selected. It will install all the necessary components automatically. Under the other options, you can uncheck the Download Update option, if you do not want to update during the installation. We can also update it later. So, I am unchecking it. Here, we have three options. The first option will use all the free space available and create partitions automatically. To create the partitions manually, choose the third option. Remember, do not choose the second option, because, as the warning says, it will erase the entire drive, and all of its data. I am choosing the first option. However, if you want to learn how to create partitions manually, see my other video on installing Ubuntu desktop. Here, click on the Continue button to begin the installation. OK, the installation has started. Here, on the map, click on your location to choose the time zone. Here, it is asking to create a user. Let's create it. OK, we are done here. Let the installation complete. Depending on the system configuration, it may take up to 20 minutes. The installation is now completed. Remove the installation media, and reboot the system. On reboot, you will see the Grub bootloader. In this bootloader, Ubuntu is selected by default. You can select other options with the arrow keys, or within 10 seconds, it will start Ubuntu automatically. To start Ubuntu immediately, hit the Enter key. Okay, let's log in to Ubuntu. Our Ubuntu installation is completed. In Ubuntu, we can also access the Windows partitions. See, these are our Windows partitions. Okay, let's go back to the Windows. From the grub loader, select the Windows 10 option, and hit the Enter key. In the UEFI-based systems, Ubuntu will create a small, FAT32, UEFI partition. It is better to hide this partition from my computer. To hide this partition, open the Disk Management. Right-click on the UEFI partition, and select the Change Drive Letter or Path option. Here, select the drive letter, and click on the Remove button. Let's open my computer again. See, the UEFI partition is gone. Okay then. Our multi-boot Ubuntu installation is now completed. If you learned something from this video, please like this video, and subscribe the channel. And as always, thank you for watching.